Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you are facing hang problem on Windows 11, in this video I will share some solution you can apply. So let's start. If your PC, your laptop is hang, you can use this trick. Press Control key, Shift key and Escape key. So you have to press all the three keys together to open Task Manager like this. Now here you can see in the apps column, so these are the applications which are currently running. So if there is any application which is consuming so much of your CPU or RAM percentage, you can simply close that application by right click on it and then click on End Task. So you can apply this method to close all the applications in Task Manager. So this will fix the error. But if you are still getting the hang problem in this Task Manager, scroll down and search for a service called Windows Explorer. This is a service we need, Windows Explorer. Right click on it and then click on Restart. So this will restart this particular service and this will fix the hang problem. And after that, click on this tab, Startup. Now here you will see these are the startup applications I have in my system. So you have to disable all the startup applications by right click on it, then select disable. So disable all the startup applications you have in your system. And after that, cut this window and restart your system, and this will fix the error, fix the hang problem. After that, few more steps you can apply to increase your performance and reduce the hang problem in Windows 11. So click on the Windows icon and then click on this settings option, or you can simply right click on the Windows icon and here you will get the option of settings. Click on it. Now on the left side, click on system. After that, on the right side, you will see this option storage. Click on it. Now here you will see storage management, and this is a option we need, storage sense. So enable this option like this. So this will automatically free up the space and delete all the temporary files, and this will also help you to increase your Windows 11 performance. So enable this storage sense option. Now after that, in Windows 11 or Windows 10, you will get a preloaded antivirus of Microsoft. So you can use that antivirus to remove all kind of viruses from your system. So to run the antivirus, the preloaded antivirus, click on the search icon. Okay. Now type antivirus and you will get this option, virus and threat protection. Click on it. Now here you will get the option of scan options. Click on it. Now here there are 4 type of scans you can try. So go for the full scan, okay, or you can use this scan method as well, Microsoft Defender offline scan. So this is a very powerful method you can apply to remove viruses from your system. So you can go for the full scan method, or you can go for this Microsoft Defender offline scan. Okay. Select the option, then click on scan now. So this will remove all kind of viruses from your system. Now after that, in Windows 11 or Windows 10, you will get a preloaded malicious software removal tool as well. So you can use that tool to remove all kind of malicious software from your system. To run that software, simply right click on the Windows icon, then click on this run option. Now here you have to type MRT, then press enter. Now wait for few seconds, 5 to 10 seconds. Click on yes. And after waiting for few seconds, you will get this kind of window, Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. So this is a preloaded tool you will get in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So open this tool, then click on next, then click on, now select the full scan, then click on scan, then click on next. So this will scan your PC completely and remove all kind of malicious software from your system. So you can apply or run this method as well. The final method, the final step you can try is set your PC for the best performance. To to do so, you have to click on this search icon, and in the search box type view advanced system settings. You will get this option, view advanced system settings. Click on it. Now here you will get this kind of window. Click on this advanced tab. In the performance column, you will get this option settings. Click on it. Now there are 4 options, so you have to go for the third one, adjust for the best performance. Select this option, adjust for best performance, and after that enable these 5 features. Okay, that's it. Click on apply, click on OK, click on OK. That's it. After that, restart your system and this will resolve the hang problem in Windows 11. This is all for the video. Thank you.